Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also go and give this video a thumbs up for me please, and share and invite a other person to come subscribe also to my channel. So today I am going to give you a easy, this is a very easy way of to draw your eyebrows or do your eyebrows. So yes, as you can see, I have a spoolie in my hand and I just spooled my eyebrows. So I'm brushing them into shape to make sure that they are not bushy and all over the place. So yes, so I use my spoolie. Next I am going in with my Kylie brown eyeliner, and this is like maybe a shade down from like what I would normally use. For one, you don't want to use an eyeliner that is too dark, that gives you some dramatic eyebrows, right? So for me, I use eyeliners, but if you don't want to, you can use the gel liner in brown shade to get your eyebrows together and properly shaped out. I would not convince anyone to use a black eyeliner. You don't want anything black on your face. Nothing at all black, nothing at all black. So I will not tell you to use black eyeliner on your face. So yes, as you can see, I just drawn my first eyebrow. Now I am going into the second one, and I started to line the bottom first. As you can see, my line for the bottom is to the exact edge of the beginning of my eyebrow, and my line at the top starts like a bit behind the beginning of my eyebrow. Then I go into shade or fill in, whichever you call it. Fill in my eyebrows. So you see, I haven't started to fill in my eyebrows from the front. I started to fill it in from where the top line of my eyebrow started. So yes, you don't want to have some box, like, you know, some box dramatic looking thing on your face where someone see you can just go and take it off. So yes guys, don't do that. Never do that, please. So as you can see, yes, I started to spoolie out the shading of the eyebrow. So I spoolie this out because I don't want it to have too much excess brown eyeliner. So I spoolie out everything just to blend it. So basically you call it blending out the eyeliner into your eyebrows, your actual eyebrows. So you blend it out, and if you don't have, for reference, if you don't have a spoolie or you can't afford a spoolie and you're just a makeup starter, you can use the stick, like the mascara stick. So if you have a finished mascara, you can use a mascara. So next, mascara stick. So next I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is like 2 shades lighter than I am. You can get it shade that is your same complexion or 2 shades lighter than you are. So as you can see, for starter, I started to line my eyebrows with the concealer itself. If you're using a type of concealer like this and it has like the little brush on it, you can start to do that. If you don't, you can just put the concealer on your hand and just simply get a concealer brush and apply it to your eyebrows. Next, after I have done this, I will be going in with my concealer brush. So I will just use the brush to perfect my eyebrows, make it as perfect as I want it to. And guys, I want you all to observe what I'm really doing. As you can see, I did not, at the top of my eyebrows, I did not start to apply the concealer to the exact part, to the exact front part of my eyebrows, because what's the trick to it? You want to make the front of your eyebrows look really natural, so you don't want to go ahead to start to apply everything to the exact beginning of your eyebrows. As I said before, you don't want to have something on your face that is looking dramatic and you're looking like a laughing stock. Basically, you don't want that. So I am going in with my concealer pencil, perfect, making my eyebrows perfect, and I am just simply brushing it away, or basically making it perfect, as you can see right there. So after blending out the concealer, you see the concealer not gone properly. Yeah, it's gonna be there like that. Yep, I get my spoolie again and I just continue to blend out my my eyeliner out of it. So after doing that, next I am going to use another brush, right, and just wipe away the excess. So this, now that I'm wiping away or brushing away, it's the excess concealer that is below and above the eyebrow. So I am just doing that gently, and this is a clean brush. You want to use a clean brush that has no type of concealer or anything like that in it. So I am just using it to brush away the excess concealer and just blending it into my skin. What I proceed to do next, I get my Forever 21 contouring concealing palette, and I am going to use a shade that is like the best possible shade for my complexion, that fits well with my complexion, and I am going to use that shade to hide away the excess concealer that is left immediate below my eyebrows. So I use the brush that I was using before and I just apply it exactly below my eyebrows. So I'm just wiping it, like just brushing, wiping, which whatever way you want to call it. I am just using it to fade away the white concealer. So as you can see the big difference, it starts to have the exact or almost exact complexion that my skin has. And what I would recommend is that you do follow this procedure. You don't have to have a fancy palette, Forever 21 palette, to do this. You can use a eyeshadow, or you can use a concealer powder, anything, or also your face powder. You can use that just to hide the excess concealer, because when you, especially if you're doing your makeup for like night events, you don't want, if you take a photo, you have concealer flashbacks like coming from your eyebrows, and that will look very crazy. So this is something I will tell you, follow it because it really helps. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and go and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and bye.